Today we are installing the ACE800ST 8-inch in-ceiling speakers from OSD Audio. So these will be running on a 70-volt system. And with our transformer here, we're soldered and taped up to the input on the transformer. So we're using the red 32 watt output. So now these things are ready to put in the ceiling. So with your holes cut, feet, you just slide them up, push them over, and then you put the ceiling, then you put the speaker in the ceiling, and then you grab your handy dandy drill. All right, with two of those feet tightened, it's pretty easy. All you do is just put your drill in there, cross, so you want to do the ones across from each other. Find the screw, and then just let it ride. Once you kind of hear your drill slowing down, you know those are done. So after your speakers are mounted, these grills are magnetic and paintable, which is nice. So you just gently stick right on the driver surround. And then if you want to take them off, just a gentle finger and take them off. So the tweeter is also aimable depending on your seating position. We're going to leave these down because we want these to have a neutral downfire. Now we're just going to throw that last grill cover on. These two down here in the lower level, and then there's two more that are in the ceiling of the upper level. So, and because these are 70 volt, they're all hooked onto the same run back to the amplifier. So price to performance wise and the features that these offer, I don't think there's a better option. With the 8-inch woofer, those really help throw that low end, and especially depending on how big your cavity is you're installing them in, that will act as your subwoofer box. All right, thanks for tuning in, checking these out. If you guys have any questions, just drop those in the comments below.